So hey everyone, once again I welcome you all to my YouTube channel The Nation is Calling You. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to The Nation is Calling You. So today in this session I am going to cover the rank structure of Indian Armed Forces, and this is going to be the last video of December month. So let's start the video guys. Before moving forward, I have a quotation: the more you sweat in the peace, the less you bleed in the war. Try to relate with your life. Okay, let's start the video guys. Firstly, let us cover the army rank structure, that is Indian Army rank structure. So basically the Indian Army ranks can be broadly classified into three categories. Not only Indian Army but also Navy and Air Force are also classified into these three categories. That is commissioned officer ranks, JCO, that is junior commissioned officers, and the other ranks, OR ranks. So let us discuss this one by one. So guys, I will let you know everything in crystal clear. So there are total four ranks that comes into the OR rank, that is other ranks. That is firstly Sipahi. This one is the first rank Sipahi. After promotion, the person get Lance Nayak. Then the Lance Nayak converted into the Nayak, and then this is the fourth rank in the other rank, that is Havaldar. Sometime this and the this fifth rank is collaboratively known as the Havaldar rank. So these are some insignia, that is simple strip for the Sipahi, one V shape in the strip for the Lance Nayak, 2 V shape for the Nayak, 3 V shape for the Havaldar. And these three ranks are belongs to the JCO ranks. That is Naib Subedar, 1 star with a yellow strip, 2 star with a 2 star with a 1 strip for the Subedar, 1 national emblem, and the 1 yellow strip for the Subedar Major. Okay, these three ranks belongs to JCOs, and rest 10 ranks. This is the 10th rank, that is Field Marshal rank, that is only given to some some few or some till now it is given to only two persons, and this is only a honorary rank, that is not ranked in any official ranks of the Indian Army. Okay, so basically there are only 9 ranks for the Indian Army officers. First one is lieutenant with 2 star. Second one is the captain with 3 star. Third one is the major with 1 national emblem. Fourth one is lieutenant colonel for 1 star with national emblem. Fifth one is colonel with 2 star 1 national emblem. Sixth one is 3 star with 1 national emblem for the brigadier rank. These three ranks were of the top ranks, that is major general. This is the insignia for that. Okay, eighth one is the lieutenant general, and the ninth one is general of Indian Army. Right now the general of Indian Army is Manoj Kumar Narvane G. Okay, so these are the 9 ranks of the Indian Armed Forces, Indian Army officers, and the 10th one is Field Marshal. Till now only 2 are Field Marshals of Indian Army, that is one is KM Karyappa ji and the second one is Sam Manekshaw. So let's move toward the rank structure of the Indian Navy. So Indian Navy ranks are also classified into 3 categories. That is one is commissioned officer, JCOs and other ranks. Let us see it one by one. So these two charts of these are of officers, and these are for JCOs plus OR ranks of Indian Navy. Okay, so in Indian Navy there are 4 ranks comes under OR rank, that is Seaman second class, Seaman first class, leading rate, PT officer. These 4 ranks come under the OR ranks, and these 3 ranks come under the JCOs, that is junior commissioned officers, chief PT officer, master chief PT officer second class, master chief PT officer first class. So these are the rank structure of JCOs and OR of Indian Navy. Now these are the 10 rank structure of the Indian Navy officer. The person who become officer in Indian Navy firstly become the sub lieutenant in Indian Navy, which is equivalent to the lieutenant in Indian Army. Then lieutenant, then lieutenant commander, commander, captain, commodore, rear admiral, vice admiral, admiral. And at present, the admiral of Indian Navy is R. Hari Kumar. So upgrade your knowledge because people still think that Karamveer Singh is the admiral of Indian Navy, but they get their retirement on the 30th of November, and from 1st of December the Admiral of Indian Navy is R. Hari Kumar, and this is Admiral of the Fleet, that is 10th rank in the Indian Navy officer, which is equivalent to the Field Marshal of Indian Army. Okay, Admiral of the Fleet is equal to the rank of Field Marshal in the Indian Army. So this is also given to the honorary occasions. Okay, till now it is not given to anyone. Let's move toward the rank structure of Indian Air Force. So here also the Indian Air Force ranks are broadly classified into the three categories, that is commissioned officer, JCOs and the other ranks. Okay guys, let's start with these ranks. Okay, rank of Indian Air Force. So here also four are classified into other ranks, that is aircraft man, leading aircraft man, corporal, sergeant. Look at their insignia also, guys. These strips were belongs to the other ranks of officials of the Indian Air Force. Okay, and these three ranks belongs to the JCO's ranks of the Indian Air Force, that is junior warrant officer, master warrant officers. These ranks of the JCO's in Indian Air Force, and similarly there are total 10 ranks of the Indian Air Force officers, starting from flying officer to the Marshal of the Indian Air Force. Marshal of the Air Force is equivalent to the Field Marshal of the Air Force, Field Marshal of the Indian Army, and equivalent to the Fleet Admiral of the Indian Navy. Okay, guys. From flying officer is the first. Where is the marker? It is first rank insignia of the Indian Air Force, which is equivalent to the Lieutenant of the Army, Sub-Lieutenant of the Indian Air Force. Second rank is Flight Lieutenant. Third is Squadron Leader. Fourth is Wing Commander. Fifth one is Group Captain. Wing Commander, you guys getting something clue from this? Wing Commander Abhinandan Ji is now promoted to Group Captain. Okay, which is the fifth rank of Indian Air Force officers. Sixth rank is Air Commodore. Seventh rank is Air Vice Marshal. Eighth rank is Air Marshal. And the ninth rank is Air Chief Marshal, which is equivalent to the General in Indian Army. Okay. Right now, the Indian Air Chief Marshal of Indian Air Force is Ravi Kumar Chaudhary ji. Okay, guys. So remember this all the information which is going to be very important for your upcoming SSBs or upcoming written exam of defense. Okay, guys. That's all from my side. Thank you. Support this channel by subscribing to The Nation is Calling You, and don't forget to share with your friends. Let them boost their knowledge and get know about this channel. So till then, God bless you and subscribe to The Nation is Calling You. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.